Welcome to Pure Path Health, the place where senior health meets power, purpose, and lifelong vitality. If you are over 60 and you're serious about your future, your body, and your strength, you're in the right place. Because here, we don't just talk about health, we fight for it every single day. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and asked yourself, am I living the life I truly deserve? Not just surviving, but thriving, walking with strength, waking up without pain, eating food that fuels your body, not slowly destroys it. If you're a senior, hear me now. This is not the time to slow down. This is the time to rise up. Because what you do in these years will determine everything. And the truth is, if you're not taking care of your health, you're destroying your life. Leg pain, muscle cramps, fatigue that won't go away, these are not just old age. These are signals. Your body is begging for a change. And change is possible. Now imagine this, being 90, 95, even 100 years old, walking with strength, smiling with energy, your body moving like it's still 60. Sounds impossible? It's not. Because in Japan, it's real. In a small village called Okinawa, people are living to 100 and beyond healthy, strong, and joyful. Not in wheelchairs, not in hospitals, but dancing, gardening, cooking, laughing. And today, we're going to uncover their secret. What do they eat? How do they move? And how can you do the same? You deserve to know the truth, because aging should not be a slow surrender. It should be a rise in wisdom, peace, and power. Let's go to Okinawa Island, where centenarians live longer than anywhere else on Earth. The Japanese elders here are not just old, they're vibrant. They don't suffer from chronic pain, diabetes, obesity, or heart disease like we see in the West. Their bones are strong, their minds are clear, and their lives are rich. Why? Because of what they eat, and more importantly, what they don't eat. These are not magic foods. They are simple, humble, and powerful. Foods that fight inflammation, boost muscle strength, prevent leg cramps, balance blood sugar, and rebuild your cells from the inside out. Let's break it down. 1. Sweet potatoes, purple Okinawan. The #1 food in Okinawa. Loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, fiber, and slow-release carbohydrates. They keep your energy stable, your gut healthy, and your legs strong all day long. 2. Miso soup. A fermented superfood rich in probiotics, enzymes, and minerals that protect your joints, reduce bloating, and support digestion. Miso is a daily ritual in Japan and it helps maintain muscle performance and reduce pain. 3. Seaweed. Packed with magnesium, iodine, and calcium. Seaweed strengthens bones, prevents cramps, and helps control blood pressure naturally. It also supports nerve function crucial for seniors to keep moving with confidence. 4. Tofu and soybeans. Plant-based protein like tofu is a staple for Japanese seniors. It keeps muscles strong, helps prevent sarcopenia, and promotes hormonal balance. It's also easy to digest, perfect for aging bodies. 5. Vegetables. Especially bitter melon and daikon. Bitter melon helps control blood sugar. Daikon, white radish, is anti-inflammatory and helps detox the liver. These vegetables are eaten with almost every meal in Okinawa. 6. Green tea. Matcha. Rich in catechins, antioxidants, and anti-aging properties. Green tea fights free radicals, boosts brain health, and even helps reduce joint pain. Seniors in Japan drink 2 to 3 cups daily and experience lower rates of dementia and cancer. 7. Small portions. Big nutrients. Japanese elders eat less, but what they do eat is packed with life. Every bite matters. They focus on quality over quantity, eating mindfully, and always stopping at 80% full, what they call hara hachibu. But it's not just about food. They move every day. They don't sit for hours. They stretch, walk, garden, dance. Their muscles stay active. Their hearts stay strong. They connect. They live in tight-knit communities. They laugh, share meals, and never isolate. Loneliness kills, but connection heals. They have purpose. In Japan, they call it ikigai, reason for waking up in the morning. Whether it's family, friends, a garden, or simply being able to walk, strong purpose adds years to your life and life to your years. Now you know the truth. It's not about expensive pills. It's not about quick fixes. It's about returning to the roots, to food that gives life, to movement that restores strength, to a mindset that refuses to give up. If the Japanese can do it, so can you. You are not too old. You are not too late. Your body is waiting to heal, but it needs your help. Starting today, your health becomes your priority. Not next week, not next year, now. Eat these healing foods. Move your body. Stay connected. Find your reason to wake up every day. Rebuild your strength. Reclaim your energy. Rewrite your story. This is Pure Path Health, and your path to 100 starts right now. Are you ready?